everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Happy holidays. I hope you're all having a wonderful season. I have got a super cute and quick, easy little gift idea for you. And I'm going to give you a couple of different suggestions too, if you don't have exactly what I have that I am working with. But what I'm going to show you how to make is these adorable, they're called chop suey stick holders, but I turn them into nail file holders. Hold the phone. Oh, you could do it either way. To nail file holders. Isn't this so cute? I love this. And how much fun is that? I gave these as party favors to all the gals that came to a Christmas tea and ornament exchange that I had here at my house. And I have a different variety of different snowmen. They're different nail files. Some have polka dots, some have stripes. I got these at Ulta. They come in a pack of 3. I want to say they were $1 maybe. It was fabulous. They were just, I mean, they're super cute and festive. So check out your local Ulta. I'm sure Walmart, will have something similar. So I'm going to use a 6x6 pad of paper today. You could use 12 by 12, but you're going to need a 6x6 piece of designer series paper. And if you use the 12 by 12, you can get 4 from one sheet. I'm going to be using, this again is the one that I'm going to show you how to make. I am going to be using our designer series paper. This is called Wrapped in Plaid. It's a 6x6 pad, and it's got darling different patterns with little touches of gold and things on it, and it's just super cute. So this is perfect. You could crank out a bunch of these. So grab a pen and I will give you the measurements, and they're super quick and easy to put together. So you're going to need a scoreboard, and if you don't have that, you can always use your what's the word I'm thinking of? Your trimmer, and just open the arm up. So you're going to take a 6x6 piece of designer series. You're going to cut it at, or score it I should say, at 1.5. And be careful you don't press too tight, too hard like I just did, because it can tear. So you're going to score it 1.5, 3, and 4.5. Easy peasy. And depending on your pattern, make sure you know what direction you are going in. If you want, a certain pattern, like the reindeer on the back of this, you would want going up. So just make sure you know your pattern. Okay, so once you have folded all of your score lines, you're going to start with your top right-hand corner here. Let me zoom in a little bit. You're going to start on your top right-hand corner up here, and you're going to fold it in to your first score line, okay? And just varnish that real well. Then on your left-hand side here, you're going to take this corner and you are going to fold it in all the way to the second score line. And you're going to burnish that really well. Okay, so you're going to have something that looks like that. Then you're going to take this bottom left-hand corner down here, and you're going to fold this one up to the first score line. So what you're going to have is something that looks kind of wonky, but this is the look that you're going to want. First score line, top right, take the left hand and come into your second score line, the bottom left, bring into the first, okay? So it's going to look like this. And then the rest is just super easy. I've got snail here. I would use something a little bit heavier, but basically that's the gist of this. And I'm just going to fold everything really well, make sure that it's good and tight. Okay, so I am going to put my snail, but again, I would probably use our adhesive runner. And you're just going to fold it in like so. Press really good. Keep folding. Take this side over like so. And then you're going to put adhesive on this side. And again, you can use snail. I don't think that is probably the strongest, but it can be done. So there you have it. It's that simple, you guys. All you have to do then is get your nail file or your chopsticks, whatever you want to put in here. I think this is cute for Christmas, like so. How adorable is that? Uber cute! Okay, so let me show you how I decorated it. I'm using a 2-inch circle punch and also the 1 3/4 inch circle punch. I've already gone ahead with my 2-inch, and I'm using some retired glimmer paper. This is from our Joyous Noel from last year. So I already punched that out again with my 2-inch circle. I'm going to punch out a circle just with a piece of scrap paper with my 1 3/4 inch. And you're going to want glue dots because that's what adheres best to glitter paper. So just put a few of these on the back. And then I did some fussy cutting using the super cute, I love this glitter paper, and the whole, oh gosh, it was a whole suite. It had like mermaids. It was super cute. The Let It Snow Designer Series paper. This is what I am cutting my snowmen from. So as you can see here, there was a 12 by 12 sheet of Designer Series paper in here that has a whole bunch of these snowmen. And it's just rows and rows and rows of snowmen on the 12 by 12 sheet of paper. So what I did was I simply fussy cut it out, and I just used different snowmen from the same paper. You know, some have a hat, some don't have a hat, some are sparkly, some are plain. So this is the guy I'm using for this one. And I'm just going to pop him up on some pop dots. And it's a quick and easy little gift that is just, oh, the girls just went crazy. A little tip I have for you if you're like me and you don't have nails, if you just make an indentation with your fingernail, it will pop up this little backing on the back and make it kind of easy to peel off. So just a little tip for you. And then I'm just going to place my little snowman, voila, on the front, and he's just going to go on the front. But I just simply fussy cut out the different snowmen from the 12 by 12 paper. So I will just put a little bit of snail on this. And that is it, you guys. That is how quick and simple and easy it is to make these adorable little nail file holders. And they just make the cutest little gift. These were a huge hit. So there you have it. That is how fun and quick and easy it is to make these little cuties. I hope this gives you some ideas for the holidays if you're in need of a last minute gift. But yeah, give it a try. I think you'll really like it. And I know who can't use a nail file in their purse or in their car, or I know I have them all around the house. So again, thank you for visiting with the Happy Stamper today. As always, great big hugs from me to you, and happy holidays. I hope to see you soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.